Hi guys, so here's another belated video. This is for another one of my Stihl 07s or 07S, this one. Made again, early 60s, 61 up to, I think they finished the 07S in 67, although I read some documentation they were available for quite a while after that, so maybe that was just old stock hanging around. But it's sometimes on the old tools, it's very hard to get an accurate manufacture date. So this one's up on eBay for spares or repair, and the video's about should have been done about 5 days ago, so sorry if people have been checking for the link. It's running a genuine Stihl solid nose bar, and it's a full chisel chain, so I'll quickly show it starting, idling, and again, one from my collection, haven't used for cutting wood, and hopefully it's suitable for one of you guys out there. They're an immense saw. This is a 75cc West German engineering chainsaw. Spectacular. Kill switch, throttle lock, everything working. Well, hope that's clear. It idles really nicely. It's got very good compression, great compression. It's quite a desirable model with the all cast aluminium muffler as opposed to the pressed steel one, and just a thing of beauty. A beautiful old chainsaw. So it's up for spares or repair, and chain oil is working. All nuts and bolts are present as far as I can see, but please, check the photographs, and anybody wants to come out and take a look, you'd be very welcome to come out and take a look, see it in person, hear it running. Okay, I shall show it on a restart. Compression. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I guess the only thing would have been nice to have had on this particular one, which I've had on a couple of mine in the past, would have been nice to have had the original rubber grip, but it doesn't have the original rubber grip, so it's just the aluminium handle is probably quite clear to see. Okay, any questions, please just message or ask. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.